So today I'm going to install windchill 12.0 on top of a Windows machine, and the database is MS SQL Server with 2019. Okay, so let me summarize what I did so far. I installed MS SQL 2019 as per the PTC instructions to keep the parameters as suitable for the windchill installation. After that, I created the schema with the required parameters for the windchill, and then after that, I just download the installer of 12.0 windchill installer, and then I launched that. I accepted the terms and conditions, and then I just proceeded next screen where I have the option to select the windchill PDM link as the product, a mandatory product, and additional product are QMS Foundation, windchill project link, and next is windchill ESI services, then NPM link, supplier management, then PLM connector as a Creo package, then parts link, index search client, windchill bulk migrator, etc. Then after selection of all those things, I just press next, where I just put the choice of my database software, which is SQL Server right here in this case. Next, I have not selected this because this is my local system where I have kept everything as a default. And the next is like I have selected the windchill ESI services as a ERP connector. Next is like I am instructing that to use the existing database and installation user for the NSSQL. Then this is the default, PTC installation 2 is the default. And I set the path, which is like dptc windchill 12.12 windchill underscore 12.0, which is like default directory where I want to install everything for the keep every file types or directory hierarchy for my windchill installation. Coming to the next, where I just kept the windchill web server DNS register hostname for the windchill installation, which I have kept, and I also mentioned in the host file entry. HTTP port is 80, HTTPS is default, and servlet engine is all default. Next, I have selected German along with the English language. I will see how this works. And then here LDAP manager and CN security manager, and the password is LDAP admin. And then click on next, where all these things is default, where I have selected the create database schema and load base data. Then after SQL Server DNS hostname is the default because I have installed SQL Server in the local system. Since this is named instance, so keep it blank. This is the port, default port, and then this is the username and password for the. I kept all these things as a default. Uh, so use existing account, and I have selected this, and then windchill this BTC, and this is all this, and a host name as this, and this all is like default. I have kept the new program group is 12.0 since the installer is like that. Here everything is there in the staging directory, which I don't need to touch base anything. I just have to go click on the next, and then it's a started the installation of the windchill 12.0 in my local system. And once this will be installed, then I would be able to choose this in my local system by the URL provided. Thank you for